Welcome back, guys. So in this portion of the video, we're going to start by continuing to add detail to a couple more panels. And if we toggle back on the canvas, we'll start with the window wall panel, or with the wall window panel, and we'll just select this surface here, right click and go to create sketch. And what I want to do is use the offset tool, select the outer edge, and we're just going to drag this in to match this line here going vertical. And it will do the same thing on the right side, so we don't have to worry about that. Once we're satisfied, we'll just right click, go to OK. And now we can use our 2-point rectangle from the top left outer rectangular cutout here on the reference to the bottom right outer rectangular. Now let's right click, hit OK. And what I want to do is select this profile. Now I'm going to press pull it by, let's say, -3.4, and ensure the operation is on cut and hit OK. Now, if I toggle off the canvas, we'll see what we just did. We just added a nice little cut in the center of this. So now we'll turn back on this canvas, select this surface here on the inside, right click, go to create sketch. Now we can use the offset tool once again for this outer rectangular reference, and we'll just dial this in to somewhere around here to match. Then we'll right click, and now we'll select this inner rectangular profile, right click and press pull, and we're going to press pull this all the way through the back end of this model. Ensure the operation is on cut and hit OK. So now if we turn off the canvas, we'll see we have another interior which will be the frame of the window. Now let's toggle back on the canvas and let's continue. So back in the front view, let's start working on some of this detail here. Now I want to do that first by selecting this surface, creating a sketch. And first things first, I want to draw a horizontal line from this bottom half here, going all the way through the other end. And then I'll left click to select the profile, right click, then press pull. And remember, we want to extrude this by 1.8, and the operation is on join, so let's hit OK. Now we have this nice little indent here. So let's reselect this surface and create another sketch. Now what I like to do is start getting these extrusions. So I'll use the line tool, and I'll just follow the reference. I'll drag this all the way through here. Right click, hit OK. And I'll do the same for the top. Right click, go back up to repeat that line, or you can hit L on the keyboard to bring up the line tool. We're just following these two. Now what we can do is shift select this profile and shift select the bottom, right click and press pull. Let's press pull this by -1.8. Ensure the operation is on cut and hit OK. Now if we toggle off the canvas, we'll see we have these nice little cutouts here. So let's toggle back on our canvas, select this surface once again, and we'll create a sketch. So now what I'll do is use the line tool from this half, and I'll just drag it all the way across horizontally. I'll use a 2-point rectangle from this top right corner, somewhere around here, and I'll extend beyond the actual reference, so somewhere around here. And now I'll use the line tool to go from this bottom corner right here and go straight up. Right click, hit OK. Repeat that function by right clicking, going up to repeat line. And I'll start from this area, go down and to the right. Let's drag this down a little bit more so it better matches the reference. And now what I want to do is go to finish sketch. And we're going to create a pipe out of each of these lines. So if we go to create pipe, we can select this horizontal line, right? Sorry. Select this horizontal line here, and the function is still on 1.9. So we'll just press cut, and automatically it disabled our sketch. So we'll scroll back down in the sketches layer and we'll toggle that back on. And let's repeat that pipe function. So we'll right click, go up to repeat pipe, and we'll choose this rectangular piece. It's on 1.9 for the millimeters, and the operations on cut. So hit OK. And we're going to right click, repeat that pipe, and we're just going to keep following through. Right click, go back up, repeat pipe, select this little angle here. It's on cut, hit OK. Now, really quick, if we toggle off the canvas and toggle off this sketch, we can see what we did. So we have all that detail here on this panel for the window and the wall. So we have some extruding inwards and we have the pipes. So now let's add the last little bits of detail here. So toggle back on the canvas. Let's select this surface here and create a sketch. And we're going to use our 2-point rectangle tool to get this nice little cutouts, rectangular cutout here. And we'll do the same over here. Right click it, OK. And now we can shift select all 4 of these profiles. Right click, press pull. And we want to press pull this by -1.8. So -1.8. Be sure the operation's on cut and hit OK. And actually, I want this to actually extrude a bit further, so I'll add a little bit deeper of a cut. So we can right click on the timeline here where we did that last function and go to edit feature. And I want to bring this a little further back than 1.8 so we get that cut. So somewhere around -2.5 should be fine. Hit cut. Now we have the cut a little deeper than this section here. So we're now done with the window wall panel. So I think it's a good time to stop here so I don't extend this a bit longer than it should be. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.